6 to 8 mm tolerance in width and thickness. There is a tolerance that is acceptable to me. I give you straight away 100 rupees rate for the best quality wood. I spoke to Mr. Abdul Najib Global last time. He gave me a very good invoice with the sizes. The width was more than 6 inch and the thickness was more than 6 inches. It was 6 by 4. He said, I will charge you 125 rupees per CFT, which is 35 rupees higher than the normal rate. I said, I agreed, because your invoice is very good. And as you said, the quality you don't need to see. He said, you don't need to see quality. Quality is the best. And the sizes are also good. I charge you 125 rupees, 35 rupees more than the normal price. I said, send a truck. Since he does not have a truck, there is a problem of truck and transport. He could not send the materials lying with him. So, if you come, see, I have a requirement of minimum 2 trucks daily. I want 50 to 60 trucks a month. That is including rubber wood, silver wood, jungle wood, soft wood, hard wood, and all other woods which you can supply. It's Begna and Mogni and Balyapatam wood, Balyapatam jungle wood. I want all these qualities. I can unload 50 trucks minimum a month. So I cannot deal with only one guy and get this material. I want to deal with all of you. And if you want any information of the prices in Mumbai, you can anytime call me and take idea from me. Either you supply to me or not, but you can take a supply. If I do any problem in payment or measurement, you have a strong timber merchant association. Just write a letter to the association that Surya Group is a fraud company. Surya Group has done this and this problem. Just blacklist them. They will definitely blacklist us if we are wrong. And if we are right, given a precision certificate to timber merchant that Surya Group is a good company, that you cannot do just to reduce the competition. So
that's why they are now introducing you as a good company.
So what I say, you trust us, we trust you, start dealing and come forward to us. And thank you very much for your precious time. I request Mr. Hassan Koya to finish this meeting with a few words.
യഥാർത്ഥത്തിലെ അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞ പ്രകാരം നടുക്കുള്ള ആളുകളുടെ പരമായിട്ടൊരു യോഗമായിട്ടായിരുന്നു കരുതിയത്. ഞാൻ കാലത്ത് വന്നപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തോട് പറഞ്ഞു ചെയ്ത് അരമണിക്കൂർ ഇവിടുത്തെ ടിമ്പർ മർച്ചൻസിന് വളരെ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. ഇവിടുന്ന് ലോറി ബോംബെ അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞത് മാഹി പ്രദേശത്താണ്. അവിടെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലോറിക്കാരോട് ഗുണ്ടകള് വണ്ടി പൈസ വാങ്ങുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് തടഞ്ഞു വെച്ചിട്ട് അപ്പൊ അത് കൊടുക്കാനുള്ള പ്രയാസം കൊണ്ട് പലപ്പോഴും ലോറികൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്നും ബോംബെയിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ വിഷമത കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇത് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകളൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂർ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. അപ്പൊ അതിനെന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും എന്നുള്ളത് അദ്ദേഹം അവിടുത്തെ മറ്റു ടിമ്പർ മർച്ചൻസ് ആയിട്ട് ആലോചിച്ച് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി ടിമ്പർ മർച്ചൻസിന്റെ ഒരു ഡെപ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ ഇവിടെ പോയി കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഇതൊരു വളരെ നല്ലൊരു സന്ദർഭമാണ്. സോ ഞാൻ ഐ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് യു ടു മേക്ക് എ സെൽഫ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ടു ദി അവർ today's organizer of the Surya company. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടുന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയാൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ you can write the people and already got the list. This is an issue.
Rubber wood available in Calicut. There is one place known as Parok, which is 11 kilometers. There only resolve materials are available, and those materials are substandard. The rates are less, you see, and it is all undersized, which are taught by your buyers. Your buyers have taught us. And then there is another type available that is known as benzo cutter, which are available in Calicut market. And their rates are around 30 to 35 rupees more than that. This is the what example you were giving. You were quoted 135 rupees. The rate was correct. But that was a material that must have been from Calicut only.
Quality superior.
Then you get quality material. And now regarding your Mathadi Kamdar measurement, I don't think, at least personally speaking, I will not agree to it. Because so I would only request you that you will have to take our measurement final and
that is okay. When you said 1 truck, I'll accept your measurement. I'll verify that. 2 trucks, I'll accept your measurement, verify that. And if the 3rd truck also come with a difference, definitely the deal will be end at it.
I know
we have to coordinate with each other. I don't mind if you don't decide.
No, that I understand. But generally,
you have to take care while
I am supplying.
I am also leading for the last 40 years. Mathadi Kamdar, some parties in Bombay, there are parties in Mumbai who can influence this Mathadis also. There were instances like that in the past.
Yeah.
You got my point?
It is.
The measurement, what is done in Bombay, is manipulated
Yeah.
by influencing or bribing the Mathadis.
It is possible.
And in Kallai, a lot of poor parties, they have been ruined.
That is possible.
They have been ruined.
Yeah, I know.
One of the main problem in Kallai, the parties why they are ruined and in heavy loss, because consignment business was going on.
Yeah, consignment.
These people sent 500 CFT.
You people
they
were
get
getting
only 450 CFT.
And you people were getting, when I see Mr. Mohammed and he is sending me 3 trucks and there is a difference of 5%.